Alright, we're back with the Fnaf Phase 3 thing. We're going to start working on the maintenance monitor thing. So I just imported a sprite that just has basically a little monitor flipping up in the corner here of the viewing box. So for that, well, first we're going to go into cameras and we're going to make a new variable. What we're going to do is when I receive where is it? When I receive in-game set variable, make a new variable, we're going to call it camera signal, set camera signal to yes. Okay. Then we need to go and make a button for your maintenance panel. So we're just going to make a little button thing. Something like this. Like make sure to put like a dot here so it doesn't screw up. Alright, so for the code for this one is going to be when the flag is clicked, go to 0, 0, hide. Then when the flag is clicked, set the maintenance monitor to down. Then when I receive in-game show forever set X to mouse X multiplied by negative 0.50. Then we're going to add when this sprite is clicked, do if else maintenance monitor equals down. I can find the variable here. If maintenance monitor equals down, broadcast maintenance monitor, then else maintenance monitor down, so it'll flip up and go back. Then when I receive cam up, do stop other scripts in sprite. Then when I receive maintenance monitor, stop other scripts in sprite. Then when I receive maintenance monitor down, make it look around and stuff. Then when I see the camera down, if I can find it, cam down, can look up and down, look around. So, just try this out here a little bit. And for this sprite, for the actual panel, the animation, gonna do when the sprite's clicked, go to 0, 0, hide. When I receive RC maintenance monitor. Can find it. RC maintenance monitor. Show. Switch to costume 1. Repeat 6 times. Next costume. Switch to costume 7 or whichever one you have. Switch costume 7. Broadcast. Matte screen show. Then when I receive maintenance monitor down, broadcast, matte screen hide, switch to costume 7, repeat 6 times, switch to costume, and then costume number, -1, hide, and then set maintenance monitor down, and also when it goes up, set it up. Needing here right now, test it here, comes up, you stop looking around, goes down, and it doesn't clip through the cameras. Right, this works pretty well. Then I have made a sprite where it's just like static and it shows the screen. So the code for that, you can do sprites clicked, go to 0, 0, hide. When I receive maintenance monitor screen show forever, next costume. Then when I receive maintenance monitor screen hide, you want it to hide. See how this works. Didn't go to 0, 0. You know, shows up and has a screen. Don't know why it's a bit big. You know what? That looks fine. Well, so that's all we need for that right now. I'm just kind of try to fix the sprites a little bit here because it looks kind of dumb. Alright, there we go. Just put maintenance monitor, go to 0, 0 at the end of these scripts too, so it looks less dumb. There, you can't even notice it. Alright. Next one we're gonna do is we're gonna make the camera fix. So I'm just gonna get something here. So we're gonna make some buttons for the cameras. So make a sprite called cam fix, and what we're gonna do is have it as some like green text or something. 0, 0. Go to the right place here. And make sure to have like a very transparent thing in the back so it doesn't. For this, it's going to be so you can fix the cameras. So when this sprite is clicked, switch to costume 1, repeat 5 times, import a sound. It's literally the Gary's Mod sound. Next costume, play the beep sound until done. Wait 0.3 seconds. Switch to costume 1, and then set camera signal yes or on or whatever you want. Just whichever it is that you put it on this. So it says when in game the camera signal is yes, and you can see the cameras. Camera fix. Then we're going to do when the sprite's clicked, go to costume 1, go to 0. I mean, not yet. When flag is clicked, go to 0, 0, switch costume 1, hide. When I receive maintenance screen show, need to show the same thing to hide. When it hides, screen hide. So yeah, so it disappears when you flip down the maintenance and it goes back up. Then for the cameras, we're going to make a new sprite. We're going to call it no signal. It's going to be a black screen, or just do whatever you want, be creative. And do no signal there. Just make sure it's centered. For the code for this one is when flag is clicked, hide, go to 0, 0. When I receive in-game, hide. When I receive screen show, you want it to show. Then when I receive in-game, forever, do if else, then another if at the bottom, put a bunch of ands in it. You also got to put another if in the else of the first if else, then put equals in it. Just make a big freaking equation. If camera signal equals camera signal, no, yes, then if monitor equals up, down, up, want to show, hide. Yeah. Then do when I receive screen hide. So you can see the camera signal equals yes. Hold on. There. So when this is going, camera signal equals yes. It doesn't show. Yeah, just get rid of the when I receive screen show. Just don't. This is all the code you need here. I don't know why I put that there. So camera signal equals yes means the camera signals are on. Then if you can do set camera signal to no, there, this thing shows up. And also make it go back a few layers. Go backward, the amount of layers you need it to. And it doesn't matter. So if you go on all the different cameras, it's still no signal. But then if you do it for yes, superior. So let's say no. And you press the fix button. It's fixing it. Now it's back up to yes. And now the cameras are good again. Nice. Also, I forgot, just add a different costume for the fix. So it makes it look more cooler. So if you press fix, blinking. Nice. And cameras are good. Probably next episode we'll be adding like phantoms and stuff. But yeah. Alright, so then what we're going to do when we get into a bit more harder code. So what we're going to do is make another sprite. We're going to call it sound. This is going to control the sound in the cameras. And just make a button like that kind of looks like the camera button. Here, I can just copy and paste. Do it like play sound. And duplicate it, then have it as another green one too. And then you can add like a little speaker or something, make it look cooler. And like add some lines or something. There. That's pretty good. For the code for this one, now this is going to be a lot, so bear with me. When the flag is clicked, go to 0, 0, hide. When I receive screen, hide. Hide. When I receive screen, show. Show. When I receive in-game, forever, if, do it equals, make a new variable, call it sound count. And this is just for me and my game, but I'm just doing like, you can only press the sound a certain amount of times, like at a time, so you can't just keep spamming the sound button. So you can only have the sound button. You can like press it a few times. So we're going to do if sound count equals 0, set, make a new variable, call it sound signal, set sound signal to null. Then do when I receive in-game, set sound count to like 4 or how many times you want to have it so you can, how much time you want to press the button. Then do sound signal to yes. And then hide. And then what you want to do is, when this sprite is clicked, make a if else. And then what you want to put in the if else is if sound signal if sound signal equals yes, then what you want to do is if camera number equals 1, switch the costume to play sound until done. Just do any sound. I don't know. I just here, there. Play clown horn until done. Broadcast. Make a new message. Call it sound. Sound 1. Then switch to costume 1. Then change sound count by -1. So if the camera equals 1, we'll switch to costume. And if you click it, and if the sound signal equals yes, and if you're on camera 1, switch to costume 2, play the sound, broadcast sound 1, switch to costume 1, change sound count by -1, so it will subtract a sound that you can buy. Okay, and what you want to do is do that for all the rest of the cameras. Doing it with camera 2, then play sound 2, make a new variable, call it. So if it's on cam 2, play a new one, call it sound 2. Same thing, cameras all equal to 3. Make a new one called sound 3. Another one, 4. Sound 4. 5. Sound 5. And for 6, sound 6. And then if you don't have enough sound count, or the sound signal is equal to no, you want to play a different sound, which I just got the find trace 1 thing there. Then play sound, start sound, YouTube audio, whatever, find trace 1 thing, I don't know. So yeah, that's all we need for that. Then we're going to duplicate the cam fix button and just call it audio fix, and make sure it's at 0, 0, and bring it down so it goes to this one. Okay, and for the audio fix, what you need is, when this sprite's clicked, the same, play the beep thing. Then what you want to do is set sound signal to yes, and then set sound count to 4. So it'll completely back it up. So you can see here that we have the sound count and the sound signal. The sound count is 0 right now, so if we fix the audio system, we have 4 sound count, and sound signal equals yes. So we go on the cameras, play a sound. On. This needs to be active. Oh, yeah. So we're on cam 1. Sound signal plays it subtracts the sound count, goes to 2, go on to anyone. It's on cam 2. Now we have 0 more sound count. We can't play it, and therefore we're Springtrap or whatever will tackle you and drop kick you and stuff. So we have nothing. Try to fix it on here. There we go. And look at that. You can play it and troll the freaking guy that's trying to hunt you or something. So yeah. Also, what you want to do, because that was a dumb little mistake on my end, just do, when I receive in-game, set camera signal to yes, and also just do set cam number 1. So there. Also hide all your variables so you don't want people to figure out how the game works. Alright, so that's about it. That's about the maintenance monitor thing. Trying to be as clear as I can with all this weird, complicated code stuff, but if you need more help or something, just leave a comment or something. I'll try to help. So yeah, pretty good maintenance monitor system, if I do say so myself. Designed by yours truly, and yeah. Yeah, next episode we'll probably do like phantoms or something. Some stuff such as that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So like, subscribe, join my Discord, Club Penguins or something. I don't know, whatever. Good night.